I'm looking at here as a new development near my place. This is owned by Monsignor Puentes in Cebu City. So he's gonna make a chapel or a church up here, and you can see the property is starting here from the hill, and he's digging up here, going up to the mountain. He's just starting to make, that is a very steep mountain, and he's starting to make a road. That's where the chapel or church is planning to build around this place. There, I won't go there because it's really steep, but it will be flattened on the top. So this is the road that they're trying to build. So you can see all the big trucks, and I was also looking at this little toilet that they make. Because I'm planning to make an outside one in one of my land for building when I do my building site. So this is their eating area. And what is most interesting is this rest house for the priests. It's made of indigenous materials. The base bottom are made of concrete columns. And this will be the toilet shower area here. And this is the room, and it's all gonna be an open balcony nipa hut. So that will be just a one bedroom na din sir, no? One bedroom nipa shed for Monsignor. He wants it a native, so you can see it's all, only the bottom is concrete, but it's all made of kuku lumber, bamboo walling, and they want to have this as a feature house. In fact, they're landscaping the whole site now. This used to be a very steep hill, but they design it well. So I was told this one, when it's all budget for this one at this size, is 200,000 just for this nipa hut. Finish and all varnish, and all the flooring I've noticed is made of bamboo. This one, bamboo flooring. Ah, so there's still like a extra room on the rooftop up there. So the design should still have a living space on the top. So that's just one room, and there's another small room on the top. So they said it will be such a nice bamboo shed when it's finished, but I'm shocked with the price. 200,000 for the finish, varnish the lot, and they will have glass windows or incorporated in native design, railings, and it will be all varnished and beautified. So this one is called the House of Providence. Pila ka ni kaadlaw himuon, sir? Ah, so this work that they've done is about 1 month. So they said another 2 months everything will be finished from all the design that they follow. all the varnishing, the railings, the make it a proper native house, but attractive native house. And it's called the House of Providence mo na. Ito ko ng kuan. Mo ni. So this is the name of the chapel soon will be the House of Providence. So for the price of 200 grand, 200,000 pesos, and they're gonna develop as well the landscaping. You can see that they have started to landscape the front like a little garden with well. So that's, it seems to be, might be 200,000, but just giving you an idea how much some houses cost, even if it looks simple to you, but it will gonna be a nice, very nice, not looking ordinary house up when it's finished.